truckers will not adjust their trucking fees despite the pronouncement of the government that port congestion has already been resolved. Victor Cosare will tell us why.
Technical working group of various agencies and the cooperation from the private sector, operations at the Port of Manila have been completely normalized and congestion has been resolved.
Despite Malacanang's announcement that congestion in the Manila ports has already been resolved, truckers will not yet reduce their trucking charges. They insist that their operation has not yet normalized because in a week, they could only do delivery for 2 to 3 times, unlike before that they can do one turnaround for 1 day.
Napakaswerte mo na kung makaapat ka sa isang linggo.
To date, trucking fees range from 12,000 to 15,000 pesos for deliveries within Metro Manila. It was only around 6,000 pesos when there was still no port congestion. Truckers are clamoring that the root of the problem is that they cannot easily unload the empty containers because container depots are already full. An example of which is this empty container that has been on the side street for 4 days. Abraham Ribao, the Vice President for Transport of the Aduana Business Club Incorporated, said the international shipping lines who own the containers must be blamed for the trouble. Ribao stated that empty containers pile up because shipping lines are not taking it out of the country immediately.
Ang solusyon natin is talagang dapat magbawas ang shipping line. Yun lang ang immediate solution natin. Importante yan. Isa sa mga importanteng gamit ng barko yan. Kung bakit hindi nila pinupull out sa atin on time.
Truckers also pointed out that if congestion does not already exist in the Manila ports, why are the shipping lines still charging port congestion fees? An example is this transaction dated March 2, which shows that a shipping company collected more than 11,000 pesos as port congestion fee. The Aduana Business Club is appealing to the government to resolve the problem on empty containers, which is the obligation supposed to be of the shipping lines.
Sa ngayon kasi wala talagang government agencies na nagmo-monitor or nagre-regulate sa mga international shipping lines.
The group also warned that in the coming weeks, congestion will be felt once more in the Manila ports as shipments from China arrives. Ribao said normally China imposes a holiday in shipping out its products during Chinese New Year. China is one of the Philippines' largest source of imported products. Victor Cosare reporting for Y News.